This is the daily chart of Dubai Islamic Bank. If you are watching my analysis regularly, I have been mentioning this area is resistance for DIB, that is 5.60 area. Previously it was trying to break this resistance, it got rejected. Very next day there was a good chance to break past this resistance and go higher, but as I keep mentioning, in a bullish scenario, when we see buying coming in, very next day we do not want to see a gap down opening. This indicates weakness in the stock, or we can say buyers were not strong. It tried to break this resistance, unfortunately it got rejected again. Easily we can identify its opening with gap down, indicating that buyers are still not ready to break this resistance. Last candle is looking impressive. There are good chances it can try again to break this resistance. Mind you, it have already attempted multiple times, so now this zone is getting weaker. So I think if it tries again, there are high chances it will be successful. In case if it gets rejected again, then support area is at 5.46 area. If this does not hold, then it can come down to retest 5.42. On the positive side, once resistance is broken, next area of profit booking or resistance is at 5.75. DIC, that is Dubai Investments, as of now is in a no trading zone. This is resistance area, that is 2.35 to 2.37. It has tried to cross multiple times, but it's getting rejected. For now, again it's taking a bounce from the support area, that is 2.26, and there are very good chances it can even come down to retest 2.25, 2.20 areas as well. Till the time it does not break above this resistance, it's in a no trading zone. Al Ansari exchange, after the dividends distribution and the price adjustment, as of now we can see it's under selling pressure. This stock usually trades with very thin volumes. As of now it's trading at all-time high, that is 1.07. This is the lowest point since it got listed. So I'm expecting buying pressure coming in anytime, because most of the investors and traders will try to catch it right at the bottom. We can expect some buying pressure coming in. Next area of resistance or important area of resistance is around 1.16 to 1.18. For those picking up right at the bottom, this area should be the target. Emaar Properties is still looking interesting. I'm on the daily chart. I had also recommended this stock in my members video. Let me give you a quick analysis, but in case if you are interested to get my stock recommendation and my analysis in detail, you may join my YouTube membership. I will provide the link in the description box. For now we can see Emaar Properties is just trading within this symmetrical triangle pattern. It's just going zigzag. In case if it breaks this trend line, then there are chances it can come down to retest 6.90 and 6.80 as their support areas. But there are high chances it can even break to the upside. Next area of resistance 7.30 and then major area around 7.40 to 7.44. DIVA I have been updating regularly. I hope you have watched my previous analysis. Just in case if you are new to the channel and if you have missed it, I will provide an iCard. Just watch that video. Last week I had updated in detail about DIVA, and this is the area of resistance, as we know, that is 2.55. It has tried multiple times, getting rejected again and again. Last candle close is giving us good indication that it's gearing up to break this resistance, and it will try to hit 2.60 area. If it opens flat, there are good chances it may break the resistance, else support area is at 2.50. Mind you, once this area is broken as well, that is 2.50, then we can expect a panic sell happening. It can come down till about 2.44 area. And then Salik is climbing very nicely. We can see nice buying pressure coming in, but mind you, this is area of resistance, that is 3.20. Usually I don't prefer to buy the stock that has been dropping down for so many days and suddenly we see buying happening. This is a correction phase. We cannot trust this one, as anytime it may hit the resistance and it will make a new low. We are seeing a similar kind of reaction here. We can see selling pressure coming in right from this zone, and now it is correcting itself, so there are very high chance it may hit the resistance of 3.20 and then we can see a new low. For now this is in a no trading zone, but if you want to take a chance for entries, then quick entry and exit is recommended, because this area is resistance. And then Empower, nothing interesting as of now. It's just making a round shape. There are good chances it may come down to revisit 1.55 to 1.60. So even this is in a no trading zone. T-Com is also going very slow and steady. Nothing interesting for now. After the drop to the downside from 2.75 area, we are seeing it's just going sideways. This stock is also traded with very thin volumes. Usually we see very low trades in T-Com. So I prefer to buy stocks that are liquid. where more trades are happening and it's easy to enter and exit quickly. Union Corp also similar kind of scenario. We are seeing a strong downtrend. As of now, it's just making sideways momentum. Nothing interesting for now. Once it breaks 2.45, this is when we can plan for entries. For now, wait and watch game. Talim is also in a defined downtrend as of now, just going sideways. Very thin volumes, low trades. Me personally, as I just mentioned, I'm not interested to buy such stocks. Even if it makes a big spike, I would avoid it because I know very next day it will open with a gap down. It will create a bull trap. People will get panic and soon it will come down. So such stocks are very tricky and risky. And then DR is looking bit weaker. This is the area of resistance that is 0.650. It's been hit multiple times. This area is resistance. We are seeing strong selling pressure from the same area again and again. Previously, as we can see, when it was trying to cross, we saw a deeper correction. Again, when it was trying to cross for the second time, we saw a correction happening. And now this is the third attempt. We can only plan to buy this one once it breaks above 0.660. But then next area of resistance is at 0.680. So we should plan and decide if we want to have a quick entry and exit. Otherwise, this should be avoided. Union Properties still struggling, nothing interesting for now. It's just surviving above the support zone. As I have mentioned, this area is support. It's just coming near this zone that is around 0.31 and it's just bouncing off. Still, this is not in an uptrend. It's under selling pressure. For now, immediate buying should be only considered once we see a break above 0.330. That's when we can plan that it may hit 0.350. Once this is taken out, obviously this will be bullish. Then we can hold it for mid to short term. But between this area, it should be always quick entry and exit. Those who bought Air Arabia should be very careful now because it's just approaching the resistance or profit booking area that is 2.78 to 2.80 area. For now, we can see slowly and steadily it's trying to climb up. No big candles. It means there are no big buyers for now. But slowly and steadily it's climbing up. Fundamentally, this stock is getting stronger. Once this is taken out, then we have a strong resistance around 2.90. Gulf Financial House is also struggling. Previously, it was respecting this trend line, but now we can see it has breached and it has also retested. We saw a rejection coming in. So till the time it's below 0.930, this can be avoided, as there are good chances it can even come down to retest 0.90. But once we see a break and close above 0.930, there are chances it may hit 0.950. Dubai financial market is climbing up slowly and steadily. I had recommended this stock in my members video. Next area of resistance is 1.50. This is still looking good. For now, it's just going sideways for the last 4 to 5 days. Once it breaks 1.45, there are very good chances it can even break past 1.50 and go higher, as it's just establishing its support and building up near the resistance. For now, support is at 1.40. Emaar Development is looking very interesting. I have been recommending this stock since the time we saw the breakout at 6.10 and it's been climbing high. For now, we can see it's just getting squeezed right at the top, that is between 6.75 and 6.85. If it breaks this resistance of 6.88, there are good chances it will try and retest 7.08 to 7.10 area. But in case if it is coming down to retest, then first area of support is at 6.66. If this does not hold, it can even come down till about 6.53 to 6.55 area.